Hi, Donna Blackwell, Personalized Bookkeeping Tax Service. We want to talk about something today that we've seen this year more than ever. A lot of people are not taking out federal withholding at their tax rate with their W-2. So it's real important that throughout the year you check it. All you need to do is take your federal withholding on your paycheck stub, divide it by your gross. It will come a percentage of your W-2 that you're taking out. Really make sure that you're taking out the correct amount. A lot of people are taking out this year 6% when they're in 10% tax bracket. They're taking out 10% when they're in the 22% tax bracket. It's real important that you take care of that. The IRS is now going back to charging people penalties figured to pay throughout the year. You either have to pay estimated payments throughout the year, or you need to do it through your W-2 withholding. Save yourself some money and make sure you check that correctly. And a good way to check it is, if you have different income sources, is to go up here to the irs.gov, go to irs.gov, and you go over here to check your federal withholding. Through here, you just use the tax withholding estimator here. You tell them if you're married, single. So if you're married, everything they're going to ask you if your spouse, do you and your spouse has regular withholdings for incomes, you hit yes. And it's going to ask you your age, your spouse's age. If you're blind, click the button, hit next. And through here, you have different withholdings. You can put your salary in, your other sources of income. And through there, it will tell you an estimate what you need to be taken out for your federal withholding. It's real important. I've seen it more this year than ever, that people are telling me they never switched jobs, that they haven't changed their W-4 withholding at work, and they're taking out less federal withholding than last year. So it's up to you to check that. It's very, very important. You don't want to be penalized for not paying enough, or owing a big lump sum at the end of the year and maybe not have money to pay it. Especially if you're single, do not put single in one or singled in one on your W-4, or single and put $2,000 on there. Make sure you're taking the correct withholding out. So take the time. I understand a lot of people's paychecks are direct deposit. Pull your last paycheck stub. Take your federal and divide it by your gross. That will give you your percentage you're taking out for withholdings. Don't end up next year owing a bunch of money and you can't pay it. Don't get sidetracked and think, you'll check it, and you don't, and it comes around your W-2, you're shocked that you only took $800 out on $50,000, or you took $1,000 out on $50,000. Or, you may be taking too much, but most times this year I've seen it, people are not taking enough out. So take the time and check it out. Thank you and have a good day.